So we have defined the mass source. So after defining the mass source, we have to mesh the structure. So we know that ETABS uses the finite element method for calculation. So in order for that method to work, we have to divide the slab into a number of smaller elements. Okay, if we don't divide the slab into smaller elements, so in that case, whatever the load has been applied on this slab, it will directly get transferred to the columns, not to the beams. So in that situations, the reinforcement of the beams will be very much low, but the columns will eventually fail in your software. For that, just select this slab over here. At z is equal to 3 also, just select the slab. Okay, so here we got only 2 slabs, right? Suppose that you got 100 slabs. Selecting each slab by going in each floor is not very handy. So in that situation, what you have to do is that just go to select, click on select. So don't click, just hover over there and click on properties and click on slab sections. So select the slab 125 and click on select. So now this slab over here has been selected, that you can see from here. Okay, all right, and after that just go to assign, click on cell, don't click again. All right, I just say click but don't click. Okay, after that click on floor auto mesh options. You can keep it to default, or you can just tell ETABS mesh objects into, so let's go with 10 by 10 elements. Okay, so you'll see this thing in a while after we run this structure. Okay, all right, and just click on okay. So mesh 10 by 10 has been done on this floor, and if you go to the upper floor here also. All right, after doing the meshing, some people prefer to define the diaphragm. So we only need to define the diaphragm if we are applying the earthquake load at the center of mass. So we are not doing this because we have defined the codes for applying the earthquake loads. After doing